Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today let's customize our keyboard on our iPhone. So too much keyboard on our phone could be a little bit disturbing because sometimes we are and accidentally click the globe, and then those keyboard will be changed automatically into other languages. And let's just check what keyboard that I have for my phone right now. So here, to change the keyboard, sometimes you need to tap into this globe, and you'll see I already have this Indonesian language, Korean, English, and Arabic. And sometimes whenever we accidentally click this globe, there will be like jump into the other language. It's sometimes disturbing our work. So here you just need to deleting the keyboard that you are no longer use. Open the settings application, and then you just need to like scroll all the way down the applications, and then until you got this general, tap on it, and then you just need to go scrolling down until you got the keyboard. And in this keyboard, there will be like a lot of options here, but you just need to focus on the first rows, which is the keyboards right here, and then just tap it. Here will be show the keyboard collection that you have. So here I already have the English, emoji, Indonesian, Arabic, and Korean. Now, if you want to eliminate some of the keyboard, just tap into the edit, and then you just need to click the button of the keyboard into the left side to remove the keyboard, and then confirm that you want to delete it, and that will be disappeared. So you just need to go click done to complete it. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. So let's meet again into other tutorial.